Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix disable auto open previous files in Notepad++. So how to fix it, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a Notepad++. Now you can see that the previous section is open. So go to your settings, click on preferences, go to your backup file and uncheck the remember current session for next launch. So uncheck it, close it, close it. Now you can see data disable auto open previous files in Notepad++. Close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.